Are you desiring to add more plant-based foods to your diet? Perhaps you just know you need to improve your diet and want to feel better too. Welcome to the Real Food and Drinks YouTube channel. The recipes are wheat-free, dairy-free, and made using whole plant-based foods and made without artificial flavors, no colors, no preservatives, and no chemicals. You get the idea. Real food is about seeking out and enjoying foods that were originally created for us. These are the foods which grow from the ground. My name is Shonda and I will be your host. I enjoy finding new recipes, giving them a try, and having others taste test my food creations. Along with the recipes that will be shared, I will often share insights and encouragement to keep you on a path to better nutrition and living a healthy lifestyle. The Real Food and Drinks YouTube channel is a place for me to interact with you in addition to the recipes and helpful information posted at the website realfoodanddrinks.com. And the videos for the Real Food and Drinks Lifestyle podcast, which I co-host with my friend Patrice, will be posted here on this channel too. Good health really begins when you eat whole, plant-based, real foods. I invite you to subscribe to the Real Food and Drinks channel, and please leave comments and suggestions so that I know how to create content that you will best enjoy. Thanks for joining me on this wonderful real food journey.